What's good, everybody? Today we are back with another release prediction video, man. And I've been 100% correct. I did whole January 100% correct. Black Cats, Travis's, all of that. February, whole All-Star Weekend, Galaxy Foam Posit, Reimagined Pods. Predicted literally, you think I'm some type of magician. You think I came from the future, bro, how accurate these predictions are. And in today's video, we're going to be doing a prediction on the A Ma Maniére 3s, the diffused blue. And this is a really interesting one, and I had to really think about this one because it's a little complicated. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So the A Ma Maniére 3s, they release on March 15th, retailing for $225. And just some background information for the Ma series, if you're not familiar, they are actually a really good collaborator. They have their own retail stores and everything. They are really well known, and a lot of people love the A Ma Maniére collabs, all of them, except for the last few. See, they had a few releases. They actually had a whole collection last year, but it was in a weird place. It was just, no one was really interested in sneakers. Now, I will say, the second A Ma Maniére 3 that they dropped, I think it was trash. And the only reason I did cop it was because I wanted to complete the set. But everybody had their mixed feelings about it, but it was a little bit of hate. Some, be necessary, but it was a lot of hate. And then eventually they sat on the website, which was crazy to see, and it threw everybody off for a loop because we were like, yo, last of my 3s, they going for $600-700. And now these sitting on the website. And then a month or so later, we had the 4s come out, and everybody was like, and the 4s is way better in my opinion, right? 4s is a way better colorway, and now we're like, wait, are these gonna are these gonna do the same thing that the 3s did? And so a lot of people were just on the sideline watching to see if they did it, and also a lot of people decided, I'm just gonna wait until the sneakers release because I don't have to pay the $20 extra shipping, and I will get my shoes faster than a Ma Maniére website, which caused a lot of people to really just not buy the shoe at all, and those sat as well. So why it's so complicated is because now we're in 2025, and this is a completely different ballgame. We've seen from basically every release of 2025, it's been extremely limited. It's been catching a lot of people off guard. And even with like unions where it was like a lot of stock, the demand is back. So it's like, people over A Ma Maniére, or are we back and we just easting everything and we just gonna fiend for every collab again? Me personally, I think A Ma Maniére is cooked. I think A Ma Maniére is cooked. I think they ran their brand to the ground. And before I even continue on that, let's just break down the shoe itself. The shoe sucks. It looks like, dang, I forgot what those Air Jordan 3s were, bro. But we are literally already have, not blue cement, bro. Dang, bro. I'm gonna find it. But we literally already have an Air Jordan 3 that looks exactly like this. And that's a shoe that like in prime reselling time. So what do you think we finna do with this? Then we just got the lucky shorts. So we cool on some blue 3s. And not to mention, we have cool gray 9s, same day, that a lot of people are going for. And we also have the Nigel Sylvesters the day before, which way more people are going for, but that's going to be way limited, so not a lot of people are going to be able to cop. But I just don't think the A Ma Maniére is on anybody's radar. This colorway is absolutely trash. You can literally tell that they're done trying. Like, I don't know why they continue to do this, and we have like 5s coming out soon. I think we have a lot more A Ma Manières, and I think we should have just stopped at the 4s, or at least took a break. So it's similar to the Air Jordan 1 situation, when they were just like Air Jordan 1s because they knew at a certain point this was just everybody's favorite shoe, to the point where it wasn't. And that's the same thing I'm feeling with the A Ma Maniére collab. It was everybody's favorite collab until there's like just spammed it, bro. So I think they're gonna sit. I think they're gonna do similar. I don't think they're gonna do the exact thing as just the 3s release or the 4s. They're just gonna throw it on the website, do a little domain change, and then it's first come, first serve. And then people are gonna enter just because, oh, see, now we're kind of era where people are gonna try and be different. Bro, I ain't even gonna lie to you. and they watching my videos because I sold tremendously. I could have had a pair of Nigel Sylvesters for retail, and I hold like for other people. So they're probably watching. Somebody already commented on my video, but I don't care. But I'm saying all to say, at that same event where I hold those people, you have the choice between, we were playing games to win a pair of shoes, and you had options. You basically had every March release to choose from. So they have Nigel Sylvesters, of course. They had the Drake Nocta Air Forces. They had the Obsidian 1 Lows, some foam posits, and the Cool Grey 9s. And and the Sneaker Politic Asics. So we're playing the game, and the line gets long. And Buddy says, man, I'm not even here. I don't even want the Nigels for real. I just want the Nocta Air Forces. Whether you like that shoe more or not, just know that this shoe is reselling for $600-700 and no one will be able to touch, versus a shoe that's gonna sit on its website for the whole day. And this, I have to pay for this event too, by the way, and like a whole hour and some change. So I think we're just in an era where people are gonna want to be different. So there are gonna be a handful of people that are gonna go on the website and be like, man, y'all sleep on the Ma Manieres, da da da. Or there's gonna be a lot of people that's trying to prove a point, man, like yeah, you don't be wanting every shoe for real, like just be saying this, not like a real collector. It's like, bro, like, we get it. But I think the majority of us are kind of like really died down, and they did it to themselves. So I literally see these at retail. I think early prices are already at like the threes already, and that's insane because I don't even know if they're probably coming to retailers. I ain't gonna lie. I'm trying to see if the last threes did come to retailers. So yeah, likely these will come to retailers. I haven't seen any retailers post them yet. Probably because they're waiting for the Nigels first, get the hype out of that already, and then do something for those. Sure, yeah. They're like at this point. So yeah, I haven't seen them post them, but retailers are gonna get them. They should. And then A Ma Maniere, they're gonna post on their website, and then we're gonna have a sneakers release. So there's gonna be multiple opportunities to be able to get these. I think it's gonna be a piece of cake. Literally, if you just go on the website, you could probably have it literally all day. They'll probably hit the Nike website, just how they did the last two A Ma Maniere releases. So if you do want like collab shoe, if you're maybe like starting out or you just want to like the waters, this is a good way to start it. Like I said, in 2025, there's going to be a bunch of shoes that's going to be hard for us to touch. And then Nike and Jordan, they're going to throw in some, here you go. You know, that's going to be one of the shoes, like, can't be mad at it because it is a collab and it's not a terrible colorway. If you just don't have a blue Jordan 3 and you want a blue Jordan 3, that's a good one to have. I would rather have that over the Lucky Shorts just off some hype stuff, even though I do think the Lucky Shorts are better than the Ma Maniere 3s. But yeah, if it's something that you want, all yours, bro. It's literally all yours. You're not gonna have anything to worry about. So 3 different releases or 3 different chances to get them. The Ma Maniere website, retailers, and then sneakers like 2 weeks later. Not gonna have to try any, like, more than likely they're gonna do a domain change. Probably not even gonna have to do that. And if you do it, honestly, I would just wait till the sneakers release. Save $20 and free shipping. So yeah, that's pretty much it, man, for the Ma Maniere 3s, bro. Nobody really wants that. So let me know if you plan on copping them, what we got going on, man. With that being said, man, 4 out. Peace.